Students, in our previous topic, we studied the methods of writing sets. There are two methods we have studied: listing method and set building method. Now, using these methods, how to write the sets, for that we will study some examples here. Now, we will learn these examples. Now see here, these sets are written in rule method or set builder method. These sets are written using rule method. Now the same sets we have to write using listing method or roster method. Now in first example, set A. A is a set of all x such that x is a letter of the word division. Now, we have to write this set in listing form, and this set is written here A. We have to write letters on the word division. So, here the elements of this set are D, I, V, S, O, N. In this way, we can write this set in listing method. Now, the second example, B is a set of all y such that y is a number such that y square is equal to 9. The numbers, we have to write the numbers whose square is 9. So we have two numbers whose square is 9, that is -3 and 3. So square of -3 is 9 and square of 3 is also 9. So the elements of this set are -3 and 3. So this set, which is written in rule method, can be written in listing method in this way. Now the third example, C. C is a set of all z such that z is a number, z is a multiple of 5 and less than 30. So you have to write the table numbers which are multiple of 5 and less than 30. Five, 10, 15, 20, 25. These numbers are less than 30. So we have to write up to only 25. These are all multiples of 5 and less than 30. So the set which is written in rule method, we can write this set listing method in this way. Now see here. So we will have another example here. Now here table is given and we have to fill in the blanks. In this table, one part is of listing or roster method. The sets are written here in listing method. The same sets are written on other part using rule method. Now in first example, this set is given, set A. The elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now these numbers are even numbers and less than 50. Now this is the property of this number. So by using rule method we have written this. A is a set of all x such that x is an even number less than 50. Now, in second example here, the set is given in rule method. The set is B is the set of all x such that x is a perfect square number between 1 to 20. Now you have to write this set by listing method here. So if you consider numbers from 1 to 20, so the numbers from 1 to 20. So you have to write only numbers which are perfect square number from 1 to 20. Now see here, this 1 is perfect square and this is square of 1. 1 square is equal to 1. Now 4. This is perfect square and this is square of 2. 9. 9 is a square of 3. And 16. 16 is a square of 4. Only 1, 4, 9 and 16. These are perfect numbers between 1 and 1 to 20. So I have to write this set like this. 1, 4, 9, 16. Okay, now in third example, C is set written in listing method. The elements are A, E, I, O, U. Now these are the English alphabets. And which alphabets are here? These are vowels from English alphabet. So we can write this set using rule method as C is equal to a set of all x such that x is a vowel in English alphabet. In English alphabet. Now, in fourth example, this set is given by rule method. D is a set of all y such that y is a color in the rainbow. So you know there are 7 colors in the rainbow, and those colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. So you have to write all this color here in curly bracket. Now the next is P is a set of all x such that x is an integer and minus 3 is less than x is less than minus 3. That means the elements of this set are integers which are greater than minus 3 and less than 3. Greater than minus 3 and less than 3. Now see here, we write all integers from minus 3 to 3. So these are the integers from minus 3 to 3. So we have to write integers which are greater than minus 3 and less than 3. That means these integers are greater than minus 3 and less than plus 3. So elements of this set are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now the next example, here is a set. The elements are 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 and so on. Now observe these numbers. These numbers are, by which property these numbers are written. If you think over it, we can find that these numbers are cube of natural numbers. See here, 1 is a cube of 1, 2 is cube of 3, 27 is cube of 3, 64 is cube of 4, 125 is cube of 5. So that means all these numbers are cube of natural numbers. So by rule method you can write this as M is a set of all y such that y is a cube of natural number. So by this way we can write the sets using listing method, using rule method. Now we will solve some examples from practice set 1.1. The question number 1. Write the following sets in roster method. First example, set of even numbers. So you know even numbers, and you have to write the set of those even numbers. Let that set be A. The even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. There are infinite even numbers, and the first even number is 2. So this set can be written like this. Now the second example is set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Example 2. Set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. So you know that these are the even numbers. Here all even numbers are written here. Now see here, from these even numbers, which numbers are prime number? There is only one even prime number, and that is 2. So here in this set there will be only one element. Let that set be B. So here in this set only one element is there, and that is 2. 2 is the even prime number. Now see example number 3. Set of negative integers. Negative integers, that means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. These are all negative integers, and you can write these integers in this set. Now fourth example is 7 basic sounds of sargam. You know 7 basic sounds of sargam, that means sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni. All these elements will be in this set, and you can write these elements. Now question number 2. Write the following symbolic statements in the words. Now first statement, 4/3, this is symbol epsilon q. Now you have to write this statement in words. So you can write this statement in words like this. 4/3 is an element of Q. 4/3 is an element of Q. Q is a set of rational numbers. Now, second statement. You can write this statement as -2 is not element of n. n means set of natural numbers. -2 is not element of n. And third statement, you can write this statement as P is a set of all P such that P is an odd number. How to write in words? P is a set of all P such that P is an odd number. In this way, you can write all these statements in words. Now the question number 4 from practice set 1.1. Write the following sets using listing method. First example is all months in the Indian solar system, solar year. All the months in the Indian solar year. So you have to list the months in the Indian solar year. And you know those months are, which are the months? Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyeshtha, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Agrayan, Paush, Magh, Phalgun. These are the elements. Now the second is letters in the word complement. So you have to list the letters from the word complement, and those letters are C, O, M, P, L, E, N, T. Now, third example is set of human sensory organs. You have to write the names of human sensory organs in this set, and those are nose, ear, eyes, nose, ears, eyes, tongue, skin. And the next is set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. The prime numbers from 1 to 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 9. The set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. And those numbers are prime numbers only you have to write 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. And the last is names of continents of the worlds. So you have to write names of continents. Those continents are Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America, North America. In this way, you can write these elements. In this way, you can solve question number 4. Now, we will solve question number 5. Now, question number 5. Write the following sets using rule method. Now, example 1. This set is written using listing method. Now you have to write this set using rule method. Now observe these numbers, these elements of the set. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 80, 100. If you observe these numbers, these are perfect square numbers. This is square of 1, square of 2, square of 3, square of 4, square of 5, square of 6, and so on, square of 10, like that. So, the elements of this set are the squares of numbers from 1 to 10. So, you have to write this set using rule method like that. A is a set of all x such that x is equal to n square. N is natural number and n is less than or equal to and n is less than or equal to 10. This set by rule method you can write this. That means here x is n square, and where n is the natural number, that number is less than or equal to 10 or from 1 to 10. Or you may write this set in this way also. A is a set of all x such that x is the square of numbers from 1 to 10. In this way, you can write this set also. So, we have solved some examples from practice set 1.1. Now, in next period, we will study the types of sets.